RupeeCircle Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're looking to invest in peer-to-peer lending in India, the RupeeCircle app promises an easy way to lend and borrow money, but is it really as simple as it sounds? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming PB lending is complicated or risky. RupeeCircle simplifies the process, allowing users to create an account, browse verified borrowers, and start lending with as little as 10. The app provides detailed borrower profiles including credit scores, repayment history, and risk assessment, so you can make informed decisions. Another advantage is diversification. Users can spread investments across multiple borrowers, which reduces risk and improves potential returns. The app also provides automated reminders, tracking tools, and easy payment collection, which streamlines the lending process. However, there are cons. The platform involves inherent lending risk, as defaults are possible despite credit assessments. Some users report delays in payouts or occasional app glitches. Interest rates vary depending on borrower profiles, and higher returns usually come with higher risk, so careful analysis is necessary. In conclusion, the RupeeCircle app is a practical tool for individuals looking to explore PE lending in India. The surprising truth is that while it offers a user-friendly interface and potentially attractive returns, it's not risk-free, and beginners should start small and diversify their investments. For investors who want to actively manage loans, track borrowers, and potentially earn higher interest than traditional savings accounts, RupeeCircle is worth exploring, but always do your homework and understand the risk before lending.